Hi all, welcome back to another one of my videos. I haven't done one in a while, but I've got a new bag and I'm going to wear it for the first time today. So I just wanted to do a quick video to just tell you about it while it's brand new. So welcoming my new Chloe bag. So this is the Chloe Woody Basket Tote Bag. And it's a fair trade piece and it tells you all about it here. So it's really heartwarming to know that I've purchased this fair trade piece bag. It's hand woven. It's lovely. So this is the denim braid. Yeah, the woody denim braid. So it's braided in a lovely denim material. It's fantastic quality. So I wasn't sure. I didn't see it in store before I purchased it. I saw it and I've been after a woody bag for a really long time. So I wasn't sure whether to get the classic woody tote, but I read some stuff about how the lettering is stuck on, it can peel or it can fade unless you get the more expensive like leather version. But then I thought, oh, I don't know if it's big enough. I really want a summer bag. So you can tell from my other videos, I love belt bags, which I wear as a belt bag and a crossbody bag. So I'm kind of entering my tote bag phase, which I need for summer. So I need a big bag for summer where I can just chuck everything in. A holiday bag because I really struggle. So then I thought, okay, let me maybe look at the Chloe basket, like the raffia style bags, and this one is amazing. Like you can see the lettering is woven on. It's different because it's got the blue color. Another thing with the other wood Chloe tote bags is that they tend to be more like light white, beige, and I've got kids. I am really clumsy. I spill everything, I get things dirty. I need a bag that I can wear and not worry like, oh my gosh, I've just spilled my coffee on it, because I always have coffee, or the kids have touched it with their dirty hands. I need something that fits everything, like drinks, baby wipes, everything. And I've got this, so it's really huge. I really wasn't sure about it to start with, but I really like it. So underneath, it's got the Chloe leather. I've still got the packaging inside. Let's take it out. I love it. I think Chloe does a really good design. So inside it's huge and it's perfect for holiday. So we do a lot of traveling. So let's try it on. Sorry, please mind my hair. Here we go. So I love the drop. It's comfortable. It does. So my first thoughts are it does stick out a bit. So obviously it's rounded, but this is good if you're carrying lots of stuff. It can be used as like a shopper bag. Obviously with this, it's probably more of a summer bag, so spring, summer, maybe autumn. You wouldn't really wear it in the winter, I guess. Yes, you could, but you know, I really like it. Obviously, it's important to note there's no zip, so I get really paranoid. I always like zips. This doesn't have a zip, but I guess I could still wear a belt bag, keep my phone here, or ask hubby to have my phone, or if I've got like stuff all on top, my phone could be underneath. So I guess it's okay. So yeah, I really like it. It's so cute. I love the blue color. Yeah, I'm hoping it doesn't, like the denim doesn't really go out of fashion, because I would plan to use this for a good few summers. So let me know what you think, but I really like it. It is huge. I don't know if I should have just bought the woody tote bag or this bag. Maybe I'll look for a second-hand woody tote bag or get the leather version. I don't know. Let me know what you think, or if anyone has had the woody tote bag, please let me know. This is my new bag.